Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today, I've got an awesome Binance offer for you where you can claim free cryptocurrency directly into your wallet. No investment required, just pure rewards. I'll be sharing 8 special red packet codes in this video, so make sure to watch until the end and grab them before they're gone. How to claim. Open your Binance app. Go to the Pay section from the home screen or tap directly on CryptoBox. Select the Receive tab. Enter the codes I'm about to give you and hit Claim Now. Today's exclusive codes. Top priority code BP5KE0IHKD. Make sure you don't miss this one. It's the biggest reward of the day.
Code 1 6WALG5ZP. Claim your BTC tokens now. Code 2 TXCQIU05. Enter this and hit claim for more BTTC. Code 3 LW849N41. Ready for the next one? Grab it here. Code 4 ZPCWA041. Another one for your wallet. Code 5 V34AK2ZK, and keep them coming. Code 6 WK2GHQ01. Almost there. Claim this one fast. Code 7 2V9E889Z. Don't stop now. Get your tokens. Code 8 Y538TX77. Our final code for today.
Important note. These red packet codes are first come, first served and available for a limited time only. If a code shows as fully claimed, don't worry. Just make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can catch the next drop early. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more daily crypto earning tips. Happy claiming!